Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jamaican stew peas with pigtail. First, gather your ingredients, including dried red kidney beans, salted pigtail, and fresh coconut milk. We will guide you through each stage, from preparing the pigtail to simmering the rich, creamy stew. This recipe yields about 6 servings and takes approximately 2.5 hours of active cooking time. To begin, you will need to prepare your pigtail. Soak about 1 pound of salted pigtail in fresh water overnight, changing the water several times. This crucial step removes excess salt. The next day, boil the pigtail for approximately 30 minutes, then drain and cut it into 1-inch pieces. Simultaneously, soak 1 cup of dried red kidney beans for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to soften them. Now let's cook the stew. In a large pot, combine the soaked red kidney beans, the prepared pigtail pieces, and about 6 cups of fresh water. Bring this to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for approximately 1.5 hours, or until the peas are tender. Next, stir in 2 cups of thick coconut milk, along with chopped scallions, thyme, and a Scotch bonnet pepper for authentic flavor. To finish, let the stew simmer gently for another 20 to 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the sauce to thicken to a rich, creamy consistency. Remember to remove the Scotch bonnet pepper before serving. Taste and adjust the seasoning with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper if needed. This delicious Jamaican stew peas is best served hot alongside fluffy white rice or soft boiled dumplings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.